And I'll get a copy.
This is Yoshi.
Oh my god! He's purring. What are you doing?
Yoshi. Yoshi.
Yoshi, it's already been naughty. So sweet. Oh god, wow. That camera. Skills. Oh my god. So freaking adorable. Probably think I'm the crazy cat lady now. Oh my, stop going there.
See how cat?
He seems okay.
He's trying to get into mischief though,
What are you doing?
isn't he? Just left the house.
So adorable. Them.
More kitty fleas.
Please. You having fun, hey? You actually sitting down, or are you gonna do something? You gonna try and grab me?
He loves mummy.
Oh, sitting on me.
He didn't want to go back in that cage.
And did you notice that one?
Sitting on my lap. You're gonna try and climb. Really? Almost. Oh my god. It's like a tradition. It's a tradition. All of the cats have climbed and done this while we're driving. Really?